If you have damaged your mirror or just your factory puddle light on your 2015 through 2023 Ford Mustang, this Ford Pony puddle light for the passenger side is a great replacement. Now, lighting goes out over time, and if your puddle lights aren't crisp anymore, they've started to dull or have just stopped working altogether, this will do the trick. Now, considering that this is a genuine Ford part, this is for the Mustang owner looking to stick with the Ford styling and construction that they're used to and doesn't want to switch it up, especially if it's just the passenger side and they're looking to match the driver's side. Now, speaking of that, we also do have the driver's side available if you want to replace both for that crisp and new appearance to both sides, and you can find that right here on our site. Now, lights can go out and can just get wonky over time, especially if they've been damaged, and this is a direct replacement for factory performance and a factory appearance. Now, just like the one that's currently in your mirror, this features the Running Pony logo when opening the door in a bright white color, allowing some style and a better footing when you're getting into your Mustang. Now, this features an exact swap, considering that it is, again, genuine Ford, offering reliability out of the design and a direct fit into your factory mirror. Now, this is made of a tough plastic material. It is fairly small, but it does have a black plastic housing on the back as well as a black clip that's made of a tough plastic material. Now, it does have a thicker lens on the front, and just like the one that's currently in your mirror, it consists of an OE textured outer portion for the lens and a clear center section, allowing the puddle light to shine through for that bright and crisp appearance that I had mentioned. Now, it is also completely plug and play. It has the two factory dual pins on the back, so no need for any additional wiring. Pop the old one out and plug this one in. Now, this is about $85 for just the passenger side, and if you do need the driver's side, again, we do have it available on this site, but you will be looking about double the price point if you're gonna get both sides. However, compared to others in the category, there are different styles, aftermarket options with different colors or designs, and even options that have a similar style compared to this choice. However, if you know you wanna stick to the genuine Ford part when it comes to replacing components on your Mustang, and you don't mind spending the extra couple bucks for that Ford quality, then this will be for you. Install is a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it should only take about a half hour or so to get this completely installed. Now, at this point, I'm gonna hand it over to one of our installers. They're gonna show you how to get the old light out and this new one into place. So that wraps it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Tools required for this install include a plastic pry tool. What's up, guys? Today we're installing puddle lights on our Mustang, so let's get started. So now all you're gonna do to get your factory puddle light out is take a plastic pry tool. You're just gonna go right in the gap between the glass and the housing here and just push in on that clip. That's that clip. You're just gonna push that in, and then you can pop this down and just pull your connector right off. And now grab your new puddle light, plug it in. The connector only goes one way, so you can't get it wrong. And then just tuck that back up in there. Clip it into place. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Ford Pony puddle light for the passenger side for your 2015 to 23 Mustang. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.